GE Healthcare Life Sciences would like to introduce eCore Punch, a compact electronic punching tool that efficiently samples Whatman FTA and FTA elute matrices. eCore Punch is a semi-automatic punching instrument designed for integration into any forensic workflow. eCore Punch is housed in a protective, compact case containing one eCore semi-automatic punching instrument, 2 replacement tips, a power cord adapter, 4 plugs for international usage, a tethering wristband, and a 6x8-inch green cutting mat. Gloves should be worn at all times when handling eCore Punch and its accessories. For proper assembly of eCore Punch, select the appropriate plug and firmly slide it into the power adapter until secure. Plug the assembled power adapter into an appropriate electrical outlet. Next, take eCore Punch out of its case. While the instrument is still unplugged, remove the protecting cap from the eCore micro punch tip and set it aside. Finger tighten the eCore tip by turning it clockwise. Place eCore Punch on the work surface, taking care not to contaminate the tip. Next, take the tethering wristband out of the case and place it on the wrist of the arm that will be using the eCore Punch. Thread the power cord adapter head through the tethering wristband. The wristband will keep the power cord out of the way. Lastly, plug the head of the power adapter into the top of the eCore Punch. Hold eCore Punch, placing the finger rests onto the index finger. The ergonomic joystick is designed to provide comfort and increased sample processing efficiency. The red activation button located on the top of eCore Punch controls the rotation of the micropunch tip. When the red button is depressed, the tip rotates. When it is released, the tip stops rotating. After the tip has come to a full stop, the black ejection button can be used to eject the sampled disc. To make a sample punch, place the Whatman FTA or FTA elute card onto the green cutting mat. Hold eCore Punch so it is perpendicular to the FTA card. Depress the red activation button to start tip rotation, then lower the tip to the surface of the paper. The eCore Punch punches 1.2mm discs from the paper. Cut through the paper for no more than 1.5 seconds. Depress the black button to eject the punch into the desired well for downstream processing. Take only one punch at a time and eject it before taking another punch. Our punching durability testing showed that at least 2,000 punches can be taken with the same tip before a replacement tip is required. When a tip has reached its maximum usage, it must be replaced. To remove the existing tip, unplug eCore Punch and place the protecting cap back on the existing tip. Use the opposing hand to hold the drive shaft firmly, then grasp the entire tip and turn it in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the tip and discard it. Attach a new tip by holding the drive shaft firmly and turning the tip in a clockwise direction. Ensure that the tip is finger tight before use. Our testing showed that no cross-contamination was observed when a cleaning punch was taken between samples. Cleaning punches are removed in the same manner as are sample punches. Take a cleaning punch either from an unused Whatman FTA or FTA elute card or from the testing card in an area that does not contain sample. Eject and discard the cleaning punch. Take a sample punch, then a cleaning punch in an alternating sequence. A daily cleaning may be performed. First, unplug eCore Punch. Then place a volume of 100% ethanol into an appropriate container. If the eCore tip contains a punch, eject and discard it. With a gloved hand, remove the tip in a counterclockwise direction. Place the tip in the container until it is completely covered by ethanol. Gently swirl the tip for 3 to 5 seconds. Place the tip on a clean tissue and tap it to remove any excess ethanol. Clean the end of the plunger by dipping it into the ethanol for 3 to 5 seconds. Allow both the tip and plunger to air dry. Replace the tip onto the plunger of eCore Punch in a clockwise direction and allow it to air dry for 10 minutes. eCore Punch is now ready for use or storage in its case. For more information on cleaning procedures, please refer to the instruction manual that was provided with the purchase of eCore Punch. eCore Punch bridges the gap between a manual punching system and a fully automated liquid handling system. eCore Punch can be incorporated into current forensic workflows because of its ease of use, ergonomic design, and efficient processing of samples. eCore Punch is ideal for any laboratory using Whatman FTA or FTA elute cards. For the medium throughput forensic laboratory, eCore Punch is a less costly, more flexible alternative to the automated punching platforms that are used by high throughput laboratories. For more information on the operation of eCore Punch, please review the instruction manual provided with the purchase of an eCore Punch. For more information on eCore Punch, please contact your GE Healthcare Life Sciences sales representative.